Hello children, today I want to tell you about the addition and subtraction of fraction. Fraction belle paidang kan zirdona chuanin kasoi porpora nga uluk da winin law ngai thla anga athil har animi alo. There are two types of process in adding and subtracting fractions. Fraction hi belle paidan ni a oma. It depends upon the types of fraction. A fraction na zirin bel dante kan paidante adang lam chin. Like fraction kan en masabir nga like fraction to fraction with same denominator anwai lam in ang how ka like fraction kan ti to kha kan thiam vek to kha like fraction add le subtract chu class 3 in zero to a chu wang chan soi porang addition a chuanin we add both the numerator achung veve kha kan bela while the denominator remains the same. Denominator chu angai ringin na omanga ma se an pani ai o in denominator kha pakhat kan la a chuanin a numerator ve thung chu bel top hetlaya example ka pe ka in law en ang hian example apo 2/4 plus 1/4 anya denominator pahni te ai o in pakhat kala a denominator a alo changa chuanin achung ve hi bel top hei chu ahar law hanti dang lam em po angai law chuanin subtraction a chuanin we subtract both the numerator and the denominator remains the same. Subtraction a po ay nang chia a numerator veve kha kan pai to ang kan subtract to ang chuanin a denominator to angai law kalang look it here carefully. Instead of this 2 4 I take only 1 4 which is the new denominator, and taking down the numerator as it is 2 minus 1. If we minus 2 and 1 we get 1. Then here 1/4 in chok thiam ve kang turo chu exercise tour hi nakina ashan pa in karon posang. And the next one is unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominator are called unlike fraction, and the way we add and the way we subtract is also a little bit complicated compared to like fraction, but it's not difficult. And first example is 2/3 minus 1/4. Step 1 na chuan engtinge kan tiang find the LCM of the given denominators. Denominator te chu engtinge an ni le 3 le 2 draw chuanin prime factorization kan mangdo na LCM kan zon thin ang khan a number te hi kan nvv a prime number an ni vv to a he ba kyan na chente thei to laba LCM kan la a 2 factor to 2 le 1 ani me 3 factor to 3 le 1 ani me LCM kan han la a va in 1 to da ki tel kher angai lawa 2 le 3 to 6 ania. That means our LCM is 6, and that will be our new denominator. And next step number 2, divide the denominators of the given fraction with the LCM. LCM ka denominator a question mi khan kan divide ang hey denominator to engi a denominator a masa zoki kan soi photang hey hemi chung chang hi kan ti zau photang engi a denominator 3 engi divide to reti new LCM nen khan chuan kan han divide to 3 le 6 to 2 alo chhuaka ta hian kan ziak denominator chu LCM kha lo ni to anga achunga 2 kan ziak a sign hi angai in alo chuka he heta hian chuan 3 hi engting ni alo chhuale hemi denominator le hemi LCM hi kan divide ve a draw 3 lo chuak le chuan enge step 3 a niang step 3 a chuan multiply the quotient of the denominator and the LCM with the numerator. Multiply the quotient enge an quotient le heta answer ve hi quotient kan ti quotient of the denominator and LCM le denominator I divide na answer lo chuak kha hei hinya engtia ti tu nge multiply with the numerator. What is the numerator? This is the numerator achung hom khan numerator tu ani chuanin step 3 kan chok thei draw hei heta 2 plus 3/6 khani to lovin a numerator kha multiply to turani wangin 2 kha a quotient 2 kha ama respective numerator in 2 booking kan multiply hey 3 kha 3 ni to lovin 2 a kan siam to atro hey chu a numerator nen hian kan multiply don hey in huem 2 2 0 4 ania hey po 3 hi lo chuak to atro heta numerator 1 nen khan heta kan multiply don chuan kan siam pumanga 2 2 4 minus 3 1 is 3 chuanin 7 by 6 alo chuak hei eng condition na po aron thea lo thei boka a omani chuan hei kan man le tur chu kan answer mu chu hi kan ena proper nge improper a denominator at te zo ka wangin improper fraction ania improper fraction chu a thei lo ka ti to kha tro chu wang chuan mixed number mixed fraction a kan thla ka ngai. Step 4. If the fraction is improper fraction, we have to change it into mixed number or okay, here will be your solved example for the exercise. Look at the question number 3. Add the following fraction. We look at number A, 5 by 9 plus 9 by 3. We know that these fractions are like fraction because their denominators are same. So instead of 2, 9, I will take only 1, 9 pakhat kalat la chuanin a denominator in ang chuan multiply divide kwal vel vak ngai lo khan a numerator hi kan copy thla thei nga 5 enge sign plus adot le 3 5 plus 3 is 8 and by 9 ti hian like fraction bel dan chu hei example chuanin number B yan unlike fraction bel dang kan tili anga 1 by 4 plus 3 by 6 enge first step to find the LCM of the given denominator. What are the given denominator? They are 4 and 6 heng hawi ang prime factor kan zong and ula 4 unya 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2. 4 to 2 into 2 1 yang 6 yang tingyan yang 6. 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, that means 2 into 3. LCM. A common kan la 2. Abang ka ang aya ko pitur LCM at 1 2 le 3. 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4, 3 is 12. LCM to 12 kan na. Chanin kan chokzom le don number B next page What is the second step? LCM kan na ito engya dot le step number 2. Divide the denominator and the LCM. Engya LCM 12. Denominator masazok engya 1 by 4 and it's on 4. 12 ka 4 ring kan divide ang 4, 3 is 12. Draw. Ani chuan LCM ka denominator ani to do na enge kan LCM khale 12 chuanin an cushion lo chua hi kan zia tur ania tro 3 akara eng sign nge omle plus chuan le lam side kan ti vele don he mi pa zo ki 3 by 6 zo ki 6 in 12 kan divide anga 6 to the 12 heta hian 2 kan mu chuan enge next step. The third step is multiply the quotient with the numerator. Enge quotient to hele hei enge multiply to numerator to enge 1 le 3. Ani chuan 3 into 1 anya 2 ta 2 3. Draw. Chuan kan da khom kan siam khomang kan siam pumang. 3 1 is 3 plus 2 3 is 6 by 12. 3 le 6 kabel chuanin 9 alaw ka by 12. Hey, ang fraction nga le at noay atamzo ka proper fraction. That means we don't have to change it into mixed fraction or mixed number. That is the addition example. And now we will be talking about the subtraction. Okay, subtraction question number 4 and ito nga subtract the following fraction kan enatro kan subtract to na what types of fraction is this? This is like fraction since their denominators are same, and we will take 9 as common. 5 minus 3, that means our answer is 2 by 9, and this is proper fraction, so we don't have to change it into whole number. And sub number 2. Now number B, the question is 3 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Step 1 to find out the LCM kan zong do na 6 2 2 le 3 nya kan shevek to 4 2 2 le 2 nya an LCM to ingen yang le 2 le 2 common nya 2 abang 3 hipo bang 2 2 3 is 6 6 2 is 12, and What is the second step? The second step is to divide the LCM and the denominator. LCM ganito aturo chanin LCM kan 12 ka a denominator in helai kan divide don heyan 6 to the 12 ani chanin kan rem le ang denominator to LCM law nito anga chan he a quotient hi kan nito atu akara insan niya tur hetami ang hi minus chanin helam pangpa kan invalid to don tro himi denominator to enge 4 enge multiply divide to 4 3 is 12 3 kan mu chan enge next step multiply the quotient with the numerator. What is the numerator for the left hand side? 3. For the right hand side, 1. 3 to the 6 minus 3 1 is 3, 12. Here we finished solving it. This is the example for subtracting unlike fraction.